Finding the best mascara for short lashes can feel like a challenge, but it's all about the right formula and brush. Look for a lengthening mascara with a thin, tapered wand. This helps reach every tiny lash. I love formulas that are lightweight and buildable, so you can layer without clumping. One of my favorites is a fiber mascara. It adds that extra oomph by extending the lashes. And don't forget to wiggle the wand at the base of your lashes to lift and define. A good tip? Always curl your lashes first for that wide-eyed effect. With the right mascara, your short lashes can look long and luscious. Hey there, lash lovers! Let's dive into 2025's top mascaras for short lashes. First up, Benefit They're Real. Mascara for that eye-opening lift. Next, L'Oreal Telescopic Lift for budget-friendly length. Maybelline Sky High adds texture and volume effortlessly. Too Faced Better Than Sex gives drama with just one coat. Lancome Lash, Idole curls and defines like a dream. Essence Lash Princess offers dramatic effects on a budget. Finally, Tarte Lights Camera, lashes nourishes and enhances. Which one will you try first?